Hello everyone, on this video I want to show you how to change the height of your truck suspension like you see on the video. Front suspension down, rear suspension down, front and rear suspension up at the same time, suspension reset or back to the default settings. First we have to set up the suspension buttons. Open the menu setting or click escape, click option, key and buttons. On the key and buttons page, please find these 5 features about suspension. Front suspension up, front suspension down, rear suspension up, rear suspension down, and suspension reset. Now you just have to enter the buttons or assign all the buttons to activate the features. You can feel free to use my setup buttons, or you can set up to any button in your keyboard or in your steering wheels. The setup is done. Now you can try it immediately. Just back to drive mode and you can start to test all the buttons like this. Suspension reset, on insert buttons, and then front suspension down with N button, rear suspension down with page down, rear suspension up with page up, front suspension up with home buttons. If you're not happy with the setup, you can bring back the setup to the default height with click the suspension reset button, or in this case I will click the insert button. The truck will back to the default setup. You can set to all the height you want. You just have to press and release the button whenever you want. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, feel free to ask me on the comment box below. See you in the next video. Bye bye.